Today we'll be tearing down a 9-stage 12 CHC Lineshaft turbine for inspection and failure analysis. First step is to check our stick up. We have 8 inches. We'll write that down, record, and then we'll move on to the tear down of the first stage to look for any damage to the bowl shaft or the bearings. Next, we're looking for any abrasive material, dirt, trash in the bowl unit, inside of our bowl, and damage to the bowl shaft or to the bearing. As you can see, there's a lot of buildup on the shaft, which can also lead to some failures, but once we get further into the bowl unit, we'll be able to see more damage. Okay. This is the kind of wear we're looking for. We'll use this end of the collet knocker to tear down the pump, knock the taper lock out of the impeller. Remove the collet. Next, the impeller. Now we're looking for any damage on the impeller skirt. As you can see, there is wear, foreign material being pumped through the bowl unit. And in the bowl skirt. This is where we want to stop and measure the shaft. In the process of number each bowl and impeller to ensure that we have everything in order as it was assembled. Next, we'll move to where our bearing ran on our shaft. Normal 111 shaft like this is 1.687. We'll measure. Which comes out to 1.675. So we have 12 thousandths wear on this shaft. We'll record that. And then we'll take pictures of each bearing spacing and the bowl and the impeller. This impeller shows wear from abrasive material or suspended material in the pump. This will download into our RMA file, and then we'll repeat the same process for each step throughout the pump. During our teardown process, these are some extreme examples that you might find in a bowl. This one, for instance, is air cut. This impeller has been dragging and also pumping suspended solids or sand. This bowl shaft also been pumping suspended solid or sand, causing wear to the shaft between the shaft and the bearing. The fix this, we would either replace the shaft. In this case, we would. On this, we could wear ring the bow or wear ring the impeller to get it back to size and tolerance. And this bow we would likely replace with a new one.